Yes, Chandan, introduce yourself.
Yes.
So thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Chandan Kumar Panda, working as junior teacher in at PUPS Karakhandi of Sanakamundi block, Ganjam. I completed my BSc and plus two both from Science College Hinjlikat, Science College Hinjlikat, and then I qualified for BEd entrance in 2014 and enrolled in Government Teachers Training College, Fulbani. I qualified BEd in 2015, and during that time there was no government recruitment, so I enrolled in Vedanta Aluminum Limited. From 2016 to 2017, I worked there. But as I was not getting any opportunity in the field of education, so I quit that job, and then I got the job of a junior teacher. Since 2018, I am working as junior teacher at my school. That is current location PUPS Karakhandi.
Okay, so you are working for the betterment of the children right now, and you are now working as a teacher. So
Yes, sir.
then why you decide to join OAB as you are helping the small children, little hearts of the society, and
Yes,
you
sir.
are creating their foundation strong. Then what is the need of joining OAB?
As you know, OIBS is right now the leading organization in educational system which is providing quality education to students. And I think I can enhance my potential while dealing with different students in CBSE, and I can enhance my skills also. That's why I want to join OIBS.
Okay, so tell me why you left Vedanta.
Sir, during my working there, sir, that was definitely a technical job, sir. There is nothing to do with the educational thing. And I think means education can give me more opportunity. More means it provide me more peace, and I have passion in teaching, so that's why I leave that job.
Okay, have you heard about maxims of teaching?
Sir, I could not hear you, sir.
Can you tell me about maxims of teaching?
Method, sir. The project method and discussion method, discovery method,
These
different
are the
kind of method.
methods. These are methods of teaching. I am asking you about maxims of teaching.
No, sir, I did not understand.
Okay, okay. As you are working in working as junior teacher and teaching
Sir,
students of primary grades. So tell me what
sir.
is FLN and what are its usefulness?
Sir,
What is FLN and what are its usefulness?
sir, FLN basically, sir, foundation numeracy and literacy, sir. Where we deal with a student from standard one to standard three, which means we are dealing with their numeracy skills and literacy skills, means teaching language and numerical problems. Sir. Basically, we are dealing with those things with a playful method.
Okay. Uh, now it is over to Sauvagya sir, postgraduate teacher in
Yes.
mathematics, and then I will switch to Manas sir, friend graduate teacher in mathematics in OAVs both. So
Good evening, sir.
over to Sauvagya.
Yes, sir.
So you have selected for the PGT mathematics. Huh?
Sir.
Okay. So Manas sir କଣ ପଚାରୁଥିଲେ କି ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ।
Good evening, sir.
ଆପଣ ହଁ ଗୁଡ୍ ଇଭିନିଂ। ଆପଣ ଆଗରୁ ଥିଲେ କି ମାନେ ଜେଟିରେ ଥିଲେ ନା କୋଉଠି ସାର୍ କହୁଥିଲେ ଯୋଉଟା
Sir, literacy.
ଆପଣ
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ
ଟିଉସନ
ଜେଟିରେ
ବି
ଥିଲେ
କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏବେ?
Just connecting my Bluetooth, sir. It is disconnected. Please, sir. Provide me 1 second, sir.
Yes, Manas sir, he was working as junior teacher. He is working right now. He is working as junior teacher.
ଓକେ
Manas
ତ
sir, your video
ତାଙ୍କର
is
ତ ଟିଚିଂରେ
paused.
ସେମିତି କିଛି ଏତେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ମେ ବି ହବନି ଯେହେତୁ ତାଙ୍କର ସେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯେହେତୁ ଟିଚର
Just
ଅଛନ୍ତି
give me
ଯେହେତୁ
1 second, sir.
ଆ,
Just connect to the Bluetooth, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Is it done, Chandan?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Connected the Bluetooth, sir. It
Okay,
was
done.
disconnected.
Okay.
So, yes.
Okay, Manas sir.
Now you can ask, please.
ଓକେ ଓକେ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସ୍କୋର କେତେ ଅଛି?
Sir, right now my score is 107.25, sir.
ଓକେ ଜେନେରାଲ
Sir,
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମାନେ କ୍ୟାଟେଗୋରୀ କୋଉ କ୍ୟାଟେଗୋରୀ ଅଛି?
sir, I am belonging to your category, sir.
Okay, okay. Your means cutoff is 102, I think, or what?
Sir, cut up, you are asking, na, sir? Cut
Yes,
up,
yes,
that is
yes.
103 approximately, that is right now the cut up, sir.
Okay,
Firstly,
okay.
I'm
That means you are 4 marks ahead of that cutoff. Uh, okay, I think no problem. But you have to attend your interview with 100%. That is, you have to give your best. Uh,
definitely give my best. I'm hoping for the best also. I
yes,
am
yes,
already
yes.
providing CBSE tuition, sir, but that will not count
Okay, okay.
as my,
That's enough. That's enough. You are dealing with which classes?
sir.
You are dealing your tuition classes with which class students?
Sir, forgive me, but I am unable to hear your what
You
you're saying.
are you are providing
Which class student?
you are providing tuition classes, right, Chandan?
Yes, sir. I am providing CBSE tuitions, ninth and
Mm-hmm.
NCERT, sir.
9,
Okay.
10th. Okay, okay. Then no problem. You basically
Okay.
focus on class 10 topic, all the topics of class 10, and especially the topics which are related to class 2, just like quadratic equation and 3D and your 2D. And because then you will give demo, suppose you are giving demo for the program, sorry, for the probability.
Sir, right now I
Then
am thinking about giving a demo in Thales theorem, sir. Demo on Thales theorem. That is similarity property. I think I will take that property. That
okay, okay,
question.
okay. Then you have to clarity about all the concept and all the things regarding triangles.
I
So
will
you will
make a
give
note.
a demo class on Thales theorem.
I
Acha,
think
that
of
means on
providing.
similarity.
Yes, sir. I am thinking of
Have
taking
you
on
prepared
similarity.
any Have you prepared any topic for this interview?
No, sir. I did not
You
prepare
haven't
anything
prepared.
for today. First,
Well,
sir messaged me and
so tell me one thing. First of all, how to introduce a chapter. Let us consider any chapter, like
even
polynomial or quadratic equation, any chapter. So how to introduce first? ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାସରୁମ୍ କୁ
if I
ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି
am
ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି କଲେ ତ କେମିତି
obviously,
ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ କରିବେ?
sir, if I am
କୋଉ ଆଗ ମତେ
taking any
ଚାପ୍ଟର
topic
ନାଁଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ,
means,
କୋଉ ଚାପ୍ଟରଟା ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ କରିବେ?
Manas sir,
sir, I
ଟିକେ
will.
mute କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ.
First,
Background noise ଆସୁଛି, Manas sir. Okay, thank you. Yes, continue,
କୋଉ
Chandan.
ଚାପ୍ଟରଟା ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ
If I
କରିବେ?
I am trying to teach similarity topic of 10th
Okay,
class.
just let's introduce similarity topic. Introduce the student.
Means before similarity,
Just
as I am
think. Listen. Just think we are the students of class 10 and you are going to teach
yes,
similarity chapter. Just start it from the start. Okay.
sir, as I thought how to start, first I will make
Yes,
one
yes.
this kind of this thing, sir, and ask what you are seeing by this. And I am expecting students to answer that they are seeing triangle.
Mm.
And I will introduce that you already acquainted with congruency of triangles. Different topic because already in ninth topic they are dealing with congruency. Then I will introduce that today we are going to learn some different things, that is similarity topic. And as they are not providing, I thought of making TLM, but during that session ma'am told that they will not allow TLM, so I am not going to make
They
that.
will allow to them. Just
Practical
ଆପଣ
classroom we can find.
abstract ଭାବିକି କରନ୍ତୁ, abstract ରେ ଭାବିକି
Yes, sir.
କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଯେ classroom ରେ
I
କଣ
will
ହବ?
then I will introduce what is similarity, and for that purpose I will take circle and equilateral triangles and
Mhm.
square rectangles, and I will come from polygons to triangles, sir. because
Okay,
in
okay, okay.
polygons
Listen,
there are
listen,
two.
listen,
Sir,
listen. Just tell me, without using those type of polygons, just tell me some real life examples of some polygons.
sir, in field we can when we are running on a track, ground field, we draw different tracks for students because circumference is going to remain same, and those tracks can be explained that similarity for triangle. Real life examples, I thought of taking those things, and
Okay, I don't think so. ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଗୋଟେ real life example ଦେଇପାରିବା।
sir,
ତାଜମହଲ ଅଛି,
Taj Mahal,
ତାଜମହଲ
yes
ଅଛି।
sir,
ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ତାଜମହଲ ବି ଅଛି। This example is given by NCERT book. So
yes sir. Actually,
just read totally the activities which are in NCERT book. ଆପଣ
okay,
ସେଇଠି ସବୁ କିଛି ପାଇଯିବେ।
yes,
ସବୁ କିଛି, ସବୁ
definitely
ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟି
I
ଆପଣ
would
NCERT book ରେ ପାଇଯିବେ।
say
ଯେ ଗୋଟେ
means
ଚାପ୍ଟରକୁ ଆମେ କେମିତି ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ କରିବା। ଓକେ।
sir,
Okay. Tell me one thing. What is the difference between the zeros of a polynomial and roots of a quadratic equation?
roots and zero of the polynomial, sir.
Define
So
zeros
zero
of
of
a
the
polynomial.
polynomial depends upon the degree of the polynomial. If the degree is 3, then there will be 3 zeros. But if it is a number 0 is
So how to
provided,
get
then
these three zeros? How can we
sir,
get these three zeros?
we can use factor theorem, sir, for this purpose. Factor theorem, P of
Mhm,
x minus a
mhm.
equal to 0, P of a equal to,
Yes, exactly. You should say we have to equate this polynomial with a zero. Okay,
yes, obviously.
and after that we will get the solutions
Solution.
like the values of x. These are the zeros of the given polynomial. Okay.
Yes.
So what do you mean by roots of a equation?
So roots means those values which can satisfy that equation.
Yes, the values of the variable.
Values of the variable that will
Yes.
satisfy that equation is known as roots of that equation.
So
Another question is
there.
here, where to get the real roots when the roots are equal?
Sir, for real roots, the condition is d greater than or equal to 0 or d can be 0. But for equal roots, d must be equal to 0. D means discriminant, sir. D
What
square
is
minus 4.
yes? That's it. A discriminant. So how can we say that d for d greater than equal to zero we get our real roots?
Sir,
So
d
what is
greater
the
than
logic
0
behind
means,
this?
sir, for d greater than 0, the roots are unique and real. For d equal to 0, the roots are equal and real. So in both this scenario,
No,
we
no,
will
no, no.
get
I'm not asking about the values of roots or the nature of the roots. So how can you say that for d greater than zero? So listen to the question. How can you
sir,
say that for d greater
see,
than zero we get a real root?
we are going to
What is the
take the
logic
square.
behind this, or what is the theory behind this?
We are going to take the square root of the number discriminant. If there is a negative
Yes,
number, then we will get imaginary
very.
roots. So in that case, we will definitely have to get a positive number in order to get a real root.
Can you say that what is the geometrical interpretation of polynomials? What is
Geometric,
it polynomial?
sir, obviously parabolas, hyperbolas are there for quadratic equations. Parabolas are
Not
there, and
hyperbolas. Yes.
no, sir, no, not hyperbolas. That is in flow. I told. Sorry,
Only
sir.
parabola.
Yes, sir. Only parabolas. Then that concept.
Which type of parabola? There are many
So
types of parabola.
parabola is
So which type
open,
of parabola?
if a is greater than 0, then the parabola will open upward. If a is less than 0, the parabola will open downward. And for the point, we have to use the formula d by 2a and minus, b by minus b by 2 and d by 2a to get the
If
hash point.
okay, if d less than zero,
Yes,
so what
sir.
is the geometrical interpretation, or what will be the geometrical interpretation for
In that scenario, d less than 0, we will get imaginary roots. So we can't plot those points, sir.
we we can't plot those points. I'm asking about the plotting of the graph of the polynomial, not about the roots.
Sir, I did not understand, sir. Actually, the question I did not understand. Sorry, sir.
Okay, let me clear one thing. Let us consider x square. Have you pen or paper with you?
Yes, sir, I have pen and paper.
Write a question. Write a question there.
Yes.
Um,
Sir, tell me.
x square
X square
minus x
minus x
plus 4 equal to 0.
plus 4 equal to 0. I have to find root, sir.
Just tell me what is the value of
D. Yes, sir.
the discriminant.
Sir, D is less than 0. It is minus 15, sir.
It is less than 0. So
Yes.
can you say about the plot graph of that polynomial? What can you
No,
say
sir.
about that the graph of
On this scenario, I did not know, sir.
here a is greater than 0, that means it upon upwards. So
Yes,
it is
sir.
above x-axis. Above
Yes, sir.
x-axis.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When the graph of polynomial cuts x-axis at any point, so we will get
Yes,
0 of that polynomial. Yes or no? At that point, we get zeros of that polynomial. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Hmm. So this graph is above the x-axis, so it will not intersect x-axis. No? That's why we will not get any real root.
Yes, sir. So, sir,
Okay.
my answer should be the graph should be above the x-axis, right now, sir?
Uh, Depending upon a, the value of
A.
a. If a is
If
greater than
A
zero,
is
that means
less
it is
than
above
should be
x-axis, and
the x-axis.
less
Thank
than
you,
zero,
sir.
it is below the x-axis.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
okay. So, okay, sir. So we will move on.
Okay.
JPD, anything from your side?
Sir,
Chandan,
good evening, ma'am.
okay, apart from content, I just want to give you a situation. What
Yes,
you
ma'am.
will do, you just convey that. Okay, being a teacher, you are teaching to which class? Which
Sir,
classes?
basically, ma'am, in our school, we are seven teachers and we have to take all kind of classes, ma'am. So from
Okay,
1 to 8, we have to take 4 or 5 classes from every class we have to take, sir. Take, ma'am.
okay. Then suppose imagine you haven't selected and you are going to teach the students of two means suppose of 10th A and B. You are having two sections of class 10. And in A class, you are having so much privileged students. ମାନେ ଯୋଉମାନେ କି economically एकदम
Yes,
sound ଥିବେ. And in section B, some are having economically down. And
yes, ma'am.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର syllabus ଆଉ 2 ଦିନ ପରେ periodic test ଅଛି. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ exam ପାଇଁ syllabus ସାରିବାର ଅଛି. And you have only 2 days. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ combine class କରିବାର ଅଛି. ଠିକ ଅଛି? ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ
Yes,
situation ଟା ଦଉଛି। ତ
yes, ma'am.
ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେକ୍ସନ ଏ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ବି ରେ ଆଣିକି କମ୍ବାଇନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏ ପିଲାମାନେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟଲି ରିଲକ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ସେଠକୁ ଯିବୁ ନାହିଁ ତ
Yes.
ହ୍ୱାଟ ୟୁ ୱିଲ୍ ଡୁ ଆଜ ଏ ଟିଚର
In that scenario, I will try to convince students what's the problem. Means basic. I want to look, ma'am. As a teacher, my primary task is to implement moral values among students. There should not be any kind of discrimination in schools. What I believe, ma'am. Actually, I am not prepared for this kind of question. But as a teacher, I am dealing with what you said. I am already dealing with these things because in grassroots level, you already know that people who come from different socio-economic backgrounds and they already means those privileged and non-privileged students are already present in that classrooms and we have to already deal with these students but local things is going beyond our answers, ma'am, because there is different kind of caste and religions involved in those aspects. We have to deal them with cautious approach, ma'am. So
no
my
tell me what will be the practicability means what you will do
means there I will try to check whether on which things they are facing problems, why they come means they are facing reluctant due to cleanliness or they are facing due to casteism. Different kind of aspects should must be present there. So I will try to think how they which things is preventing them from which things make them reluctant to deal with those means combining with those students and I try to make them friends by doing different things by sharing chocolates or different things I can use.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
You are doing great. Saubhagya sir and Manas sir will tell about content things. But
Yes,
overall, you are good. Your communication is good also. You are trying to convince the interviewers, but your answer should be very accurate.
sir.
And don't
Yes,
try
sir.
to,
Actually, that's very important.
yes,
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆନ୍ସରଟା ସବୁବେଳେ ଆକ୍ୟୁରେଟ୍ ହବା ଦରକାର ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାରିବେ ବହୁତ ଲିମିଟେଡ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ଭିତରେ
ସେ
ବହୁତ
ଟିକେ
ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ
କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ
କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍
ଟାଇପ ର
ପଚାରୁଥିବେ।
I am
maybe।
facing problem that
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ସେଇଟା ହବ ମୋର ବି ଆର ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଇଥିଲି ମୁଁ ତ ପୁରା ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ମୋର ଥାଇକି ବି ସେ କେଭି ଆଉ ଅଦର ସ୍କୁଲରେ ଥାଇକି ବି ମାନେ ପୁରା ଗୋଡ ଟିକେ ଥରିଲା ଭଳି ହଉଥିଲା। ସେ ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ ଟାଇମ ବି ସେମାନେ ହିଁ ମୋର ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁଅର ଥିଲେ। ଆଉ ଏଇଥର ବି ଯୋଉଥର ପାଇଲି ଏଇଥର ବି ସେମାନେ ବି ଥିଲେ। ଫିର ବି ଟିକେ ଯାହା ଲାଗିବ ଟିକେ ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ ଆଉ ଯେତେ ବି ହେଇଥିଲେ ବି ଯାହାହେଲେ ବି ଟିକେ ଏମିତି ପୁରା କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଉପରେ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଇଏ ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ସରିଲା ସେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାରିଥିବେ କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ଟପିକ ରୁ ପଚାରୁଥିବେ ସପୋଜ ମୋର ଟପିକ ଏପି ଥିଲା ଏପି ରୁ ପଚାରିଲା ସେ ଜୋମେଟ୍ରି କୁ ପଳଉଥିବେ ତ ସେଇ ଭିତରେ ମାନେ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ସେଟଅପ୍ ଏମିତି କରିବାର ଅଛି କି ଗୋଟେ ଟପିକ ରୁ ଆମେ ଯଦି ବା ଦଉଛେ ସେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଟପିକ ବି ଜମ୍ପ କରିପାରିବେ ତ ସବୁ ଗୁଡା ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ପୁରା ସେଟଅପ୍ କରି ରଖିଥିବାର ଅଛି ଅଲ୍ ଦ
exactly.
କନସେପ୍ଟ।
So, କ୍ଲାରିଟି ରହିବା ଦରକାର ଥଟ୍ସରେ। ଯାହା କହୁଛେ ସ୍ମାଇଲିଂ ଫେସ୍ ର ସହିତ ଆଇ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିକି କନଫିଡେଣ୍ଟଲି ଆନ୍ସର ଦବା। ଯଦି ଜାଣିନେ ସରି ସାର୍ ଆଇ କ୍ୟାନଟ୍ ମେକ୍ ୟୁ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ରାଇଟ୍ ନାଉ,
ହଁ
କିମ୍ବା
ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଭେରି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଥିଙ୍ଗ। ହଁ ଯୋଉଟା ଜାଣିନ ପୁରା ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ସରି
ଆଉ
ସେମାନେ
ଆଉ
ବି
ଗୋଟେ କହିପାରିବା
ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି
ସରି ସାର୍ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ଗୋ ଥ୍ରୋ
ଆସିକି
ଇଟ୍।
ତାଙ୍କୁ ମାନେ କିଛି ବି ଏମିତି ଆଡୁ ସାଡୁ ଆନ୍ସର କିଛି କହିଲେ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ନେଗେଟିଭ ଇମ୍ପାକ୍ଟ ଆସିବ।
I am not trying to means I can't fake anything which I can't do.
Okay. Okay, Chandan, thank you very much. All the
Thank you,
best
sir.
for your interview. Hope for the best. ଆଉ ଯେତିକି ଟାଇମ୍ ରହିଲା ତମ ପାଖରେ ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ଯେ ତମେ ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ୍ ଠିକରେ କର। ଆଣ୍ଡ ସ୍କୁଲ ବି ତ ଯିବାକୁ ପଡୁଥିବ ଯେହେତୁ ଜୁନିୟର ଟିଚର ଅଛ। ଆଉ
Sir.
ଏଲଙ୍ଗ ୱିଥ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କର। ଏବେ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଭୁଲିକି ହାଇଏଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରାୟୋରିଟି ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁକୁ ଦେବାର ଅଛି ଯଦି ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଲାଇଫକୁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ ଆଣ୍ଡ ୟୁ
Sir.
ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଗେଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ଟୁ ଓଏବି। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
Thank
ୟୁ
you, sir.
ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ
Thank you, sir.
Chandan, you can disconnect.
Sir.